Hey, happy Friday, everybody. Now we're gonna go on a camping trip while my buddy gets home from school. Okay, buddy, pack your stuff. We're going to Steak and Shake, do 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 do. Steak, steak and shake, steak and shake. Yeah, we're going to Steak and Shake before we go camping. Yeah, let's get some Steak and Shake. Welcome to the restaurant. How can I help you? Yes, I'll get the Western barbecue bacon cheeseburger with onion rings and French fries, and a large vanilla Coke, and a Reese's peanut butter cup milkshake. Oh, I want some chili and a pot of coffee. Your food will be coming up in a minute, in a minute, in a minute, in a minute. Jesus Christ. She sounds like a whore. Well, while we enjoyed our food, let's go to the lake. Yep, we're heading to the lake. Pay my goddamn bill. Fuck! Alright, we're ready. See ya, baby. Cha-ching! Bye! Cha-ching! Well, we better head to campsite. Bye!